Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today inaugurated the office space of the Meghalaya State Education Commission at Embo's office in Lower Lachemia together with Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma and members of the Commission. The education sector in Meghalaya has accumulated many challenges over the years, and government is positive that the Meghalaya State Education Commission, comprising of few of the best minds in the state, can together work out a practical solution to overcome these challenges. The Commission also held its first meeting of the Commission to give insights into the reality of education scenario and lay down the vision of the government.
I'm very happy that today the first meeting of the Commission was formally held and was inaugurated in one way. And just after the inaugural meeting, they will be sitting for the first official meeting. And I'm sure that with the kind of leadership that is there in the Commission, the kind of members that are there who have got huge experience and knowledge about the education sector, I'm sure that we'll be able to come out with positive suggestions, and hopefully we'll be able to see, as I said, a transition into a much more healthier and stronger education sector in our state.